Taking care of your vision and keeping your eyes healthy is something we should never overlook. After all, most people say vision is their most important sense. What we eat can have a massive impact on our eye health. Foods packed with essential vitamins and minerals can help protect our vision and prevent eye diseases. The good news is that these vital vitamins are easy to find. In today's video, we're diving into the top vitamins for your eyes. The National Eye Institute has done some fascinating research through their age-related eye disease studies, ARDS and ARDS2, to see just how effective vitamin supplements can be for our eyes. Check your daily multivitamin, and you'll likely discover you're already getting several of these nutrients. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and tricks for a healthier life. Now, let's get into it. Here are some of the best vitamins to keep your eyes in top shape. 7. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is a crucial part of rhodopsin, the protein that helps you see in low light. It helps keep your cornea, the protective outer layer of your eye, in top shape. Without enough vitamin A, your eyes might not stay properly lubricated. The main source of vitamin A in our diet is beta-carotene, the vibrant pigment in many colorful fruits and vegetables. When you eat these foods, your body converts the beta-carotene into vitamin A. The American Academy of Ophthalmology warns that not getting enough vitamin A can actually cause night blindness. Imagine struggling to see in dim light or the dark. It's a serious issue. Shockingly, between 250,000 and 500,000 children go blind each year because of this deficiency, and half of them tragically die within a year. For pregnant and breastfeeding women, a deficiency in vitamin A can cause night blindness and increase the risk of maternal mortality by weakening the immune system. This can lead to higher chances of dying from diseases like malaria, measles, and diarrhea. So, how can you make sure you're getting enough vitamin A? It's simple. Add more sweet potatoes, carrots, red peppers, pumpkins, and squash to your meals. These delicious and nutritious foods can help keep your eyes healthy and your vision sharp. 6. Vitamin E. Eye conditions often tie back to oxidative stress, an imbalance between antioxidants and free radicals in your body. Think of vitamin E as your eye's antioxidant, shielding your cells, yes, even those in your eyes, from the harm caused by those free radicals, which are like unstable troublemakers. For instance, a 7-year study involving 3,640 people with AMD, age-related macular degeneration, found that taking 400 IU of vitamin E daily, along with other nutrients in the ARD supplement, slashed the risk of advancing to severe stages by a whopping 25%. And that's not all. Some studies suggest that diets rich in vitamin E might also stave off age-related cataracts, though more research is needed since findings can vary. The bottom line is that loading up on vitamin E is a smart move for keeping your eyes in top shape. Grab some nuts, seeds, and cooking oils for a dose of this eye-loving vitamin. Don't forget salmon, avocado, and leafy greens. They're great sources too. 5. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is like a protective shield for your eyes, especially against UVB light damage. As we age, the concentration of vitamin C in our eyes decreases, but a good diet and supplements can help keep levels up. This vitamin is also a major player in fighting oxidative damage, which is a major culprit behind two common types of age-related cataracts: cortical cataracts, which form on the lens edges, and nuclear cataracts, which develop at the center. A 10-year study involving over 324 female twins found that those who consumed more vitamin C had a 33% lower risk of cataract progression and clearer lenses overall. That's a significant finding. However, a 2020 review pointed out that we need more research to fully understand vitamin C's role in preventing cataracts. Vitamin C isn't just about staying healthy. It is necessary for making collagen, a protein that provides structure to your eyes, especially in the cornea and sclera, the part that keeps your eyes white and clear. If you want to load up on vitamin C, go for oranges, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, blackberries, and grapefruit. 4. B vitamins. Researchers have been exploring how vitamins B6, B9, and B12, in particular, can make a difference. These B vitamins are heroes when it comes to reducing homocysteine, an amino acid that can harm the arteries in your retina and increase the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD. A deficiency in B vitamins can also affect your optic nerve, which carries images from your eyes to your brain, potentially leading to vision issues or even blind spots. One eye-opening study found that women who took 1 milligram of vitamin B12, along with B6 and B9, had a 34% lower risk of developing AMD. But keep in mind that more research is needed to confirm these benefits, and we're still figuring out if eating more vitamin B-rich foods has the same effect. Now, let's talk about vitamin B3 or niacin. A 2018 study in South Korea found that people with a lower intake of B3 were more likely to develop glaucoma. Glaucoma is a condition where fluid builds up in the eye, increasing pressure and potentially damaging the optic nerve over time, which can lead to vision loss. And there's more. A small study from 2020 suggested that taking vitamin B1 and mecobalamin might help reduce symptoms of dry eye disease, which is great news for those dealing with this irritating condition. So, how can you get more B vitamins into your diet? It's easier than you might think. Enjoy foods like eggs, chickpeas, poultry, almonds, fortified cereals, legumes, seeds, and nuts. These delicious options can help support your eye health and keep your vision sharp. 3. Zinc. Zinc is essential for keeping your retina, cell membranes, and the protein structures in your eyes in top shape. Here's how it works. Zinc helps vitamin A travel from your liver to your retina, where it produces melanin. Melanin is the pigment that acts like a natural sunscreen for your eyes, protecting them from harmful UV light. If you're dealing with age-related macular degeneration or worried about it, zinc can be a game changer. The American Optometric Association found that taking 40 to 80 milligrams of zinc daily, along with certain antioxidants, can slow the progression of advanced AMD by 25% and cut down vision loss by 19% for people with high risk for the disease. That's a big deal for maintaining your eyesight. Now, let's talk about how to get more zinc in your diet. Thankfully, it's found in a bunch of tasty foods like oysters, crab, nuts, and milk. Next time you're planning your menu, remember to add a little extra zinc for your peepers. 2. Lutein and zeaxanthin. These compounds are incredible because they can absorb blue light, 400 to 500 nanometers, protecting your eyes from potentially harmful doses of this radiation. Their special structure makes this optical filtration possible, which is necessary because blue light is highly reactive and can cause photooxidative damage in the sensitive layers of your retina. Lutein and zeaxanthin go the extra mile by preventing the formation of harmful reactive oxygen species like singlet oxygen. They don't just stop there. They also help by neutralizing these free radicals, further reducing oxidative stress in your retina. Research from 2017 found that taking about 6 milligrams of lutein and zeaxanthin per day can lower your risk of developing age-related macular degeneration. Even smaller amounts, around 0.5 to 1 milligram per day, might help reduce the risk of nuclear cataracts. Although there's no official daily recommendation, studies have shown that taking up to 20 milligrams of lutein per day for up to 2 years hasn't caused any problems. So, where can you find these eye-protecting nutrients? Some delicious sources include egg yolks, corn, asparagus, and lettuce. By adding these foods to your meals, you're giving your eyes the protection they need from blue light and supporting overall eye health. 1. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential nutrients that your eyes need. They're a special type of fat that your body needs but can't produce on its own, so you have to get them from your diet. One key player in omega-3s is docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, found abundantly in the cell membranes of your retina. This DHA helps maintain the structure and function of your retina, which is crucial for clear vision. Now, here's the exciting part. Research suggests that diets rich in oily fish, like the Mediterranean diet, may protect against diabetic retinopathy. This condition can damage the blood vessels in your retina, leading to vision problems. Omega-3s seem to be a big reason why these diets are so beneficial, although more studies are needed to fully confirm this. Omega-3s also come to the rescue if you suffer from dry eye disease. This condition happens when your eyes don't produce enough tears, causing discomfort and sometimes blurry vision. Omega-3s can help by promoting tear production and keeping your eyes moist and comfortable. To get more omega-3s in your diet, think about adding foods like mackerel, salmon, flax seeds, soy, and nuts. If you think you might be missing out on some of these eye-boosting vitamins, supplements can be a helpful backup. But here's the real secret to happy, healthy eyes: a diet packed with nutrient-rich foods. Load up on colorful fruits, vibrant veggies, hearty whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods are your one-way ticket to getting all the vitamins and minerals your eyes and the rest of your body need to thrive. Don't forget to talk to your doctor before starting any new supplements. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more awesome health tips and tricks. Stay healthy and see you next time.